Hey everyone, Doogee has established itself as a key player in the rugged smartphone market, offering devices that prioritize durability without compromising on modern features. The Doogee S119, the brand's latest release, takes this concept to the next level by integrating a massive battery, a high-resolution camera system, and a unique addition, a secondary rear display that provides smartwatch-like functionality. At first glance, the Doogee S119 appears to be a tough, adventure-ready smartphone, built to withstand harsh environments. However, a closer look reveals a surprising feature: a 1.32-inch circular secondary display on the back with a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels. This screen, resembling a smartwatch face, is more than just a design novelty. It allows users to manage music, view notifications, answer calls, and even customize clock dials by adjusting fonts and colors. Meanwhile, the primary display is a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus screen, ensuring crisp and vibrant visuals. Under the hood, the Doogee S119 is powered by the MT8788 octa-core processor. The phone comes with 8 gigs of LPDDR4 RAM, which can be virtually expanded up to 24 gigs for enhanced performance. Storage capacity is another highlight, with 512 gigs of internal storage and support for up to 2 terabytes of microSD expansion. Running on Android 14, the device offers a clean, user-friendly experience with the latest software enhancements. For photography enthusiasts, the Doogee S119 boasts an impressive triple camera setup on the rear. The main sensor is a 108 megapixels camera, capable of capturing high-resolution, detailed images. It is complemented by a 5 megapixels ultra-wide camera with a 120 degrees field of view and a 20 megapixels night vision sensor designed for low-light photography. On the front, the device features a 16 megapixel selfie camera, ensuring sharp and clear self-portraits. One of the standout features of the Doogee S119 is its enormous 10,200 mAh battery. When it's time to recharge, the phone supports 33-watt fast charging, minimizing downtime and getting users back to full power quickly. The Doogee S119 is built to endure tough conditions, as evidenced by its IP68, IP69K, and MIL-STD 810H certifications. These ratings ensure resistance to dust, water, and accidental drops, making it a reliable choice for those who work in extreme environments or engage in outdoor activities. Additionally, the phone is equipped with 3 separate card slots, allowing users to insert 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card simultaneously. Connectivity features include GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and 4G LTE, ensuring reliable communication in various conditions. Priced at $339, the Doogee S119 is available for purchase directly from the official Doogee website. With its combination of durability, innovative features, and powerful performance, this rugged smartphone is an excellent option for users seeking a reliable and long-lasting device for demanding environments. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a nice day, and God bless you.